So we are going to Arunachala mountain, which is one of the holiest mountains in India. This is where Ramana Maharshi sat for 17 years and meditated. And this is actually the way. I'm starting to lose my breath again. Hello. Hi. Another month in India, and with these kind of activities, we are gonna lose another 10 kilograms. Wow.
Not easy.
No, but it's beautiful. Wow, this is truly magnificent. Oh, there's a monkey. So this is a very holy mountain. I'm not sure if I can film what's up there. I'll try. Even for a few seconds. What is it more?
Banana. You need 3 bananas.
Thank you.
Banana.
Maybe on our way back. Baby, be careful. Go. Don't stop. Great morning exercise, huh? So he's keeping the time. It's gonna open exactly on 8:30. Can I come with my socks or should I take them off?
Put them off. You're supposed to see that.
This is where the cave is. Very quiet, huh?
Sound is more dangerous this place.
Sorry, we couldn't really record videos there. But we meditated for about 30 minutes to an hour. And here is the other way that goes up the mountain. So this is an extension of the cave that Ramana Maharshi lived in for 17 years. Let's start going that way. Let's see what's happening there. What's that? Oh. That sound of whistle was unintentional. Oh, this is the path. Not that high. Pretty much that's what you gotta conquer, right? There's a lot more. Hey, monkey.
You have an insurance, right?
I don't.
You don't buy insurance company?
No. So the monkey was aggressive. Apparently we kind of ran away from that place. So we are going down towards the ashram. And yeah, just found this beautiful place. Wow. What do you want? Hello, friend. How are you? Good, good. How much are they? How much?
This is 50 rupees. This turtle 200. This Arunachala 100.
Did you make them all by hand?
Yeah, I make it. This 100.
Okay, let's get this one.
This 150.
So the person that writes the 100th comment on this video, I'm gonna be sending this beautiful piece that we got from this mountain. I'm gonna send them this beautiful piece. Alright. So that's it. This is Ramana Ashram. It's a hell of a journey. I don't think I can film this any longer. Okay, we are out of the temple and we are trying to find our driver. I think we're going back to the hotel actually.